Hey, Mark the Meerkat Trader here at Grok Trade, and also known as freeonlinetradingeducation.com. Hey, let's talk about a trade we had in our Grokstar trading room this morning, and it was on the Nasdaq. How would we do that? Well, we used an instrument called the TQQQ. That's the ProShares Ultra Pro on the QQQ, which is the ETF on there, but it is 3x, or it's leveraged 3 times to the bullish side. So here was the market at opening, and it ran up and it was doing a bull pullback. Now the overall market was as well. So I set a trade right up here, and as if it started to continue up, I want it to be long. So we did go long on that. Boom, right there. And now I'm long at 114.20. I'm long on the TQQQ. And then this was an interesting day. It just kind of sat here for a little while, and then the market started to rise. The Hall 3 market started to rise very, very slowly, because here it opened up near just above break even, and it just kept rising very, very slowly here. Kept going. And now I'm managing my stop. My initial stop was down here. Now I'm going to move it up here. Not quite to break even yet. And again, there's not much in this trade because it's over $100 stock. Boom, there it goes. It finally rolled up. And now I'm moving my stop here to break even. And I'm below the 50 moving average, this blue line. And the 20 moving average is right in there. Again, very slow riser here on this 1 minute chart. Keeps going, keeps going, keeps going. And now look at this. I need to... this went on for quite a while. Again, we got into the market right as it opened, and now we're going to be moving down this so you can even see the whole trade. It's still going, it's still going, and now it's after 11 o'clock. Again, look at that. The market has not had a major pullback. Right here it came down and tagged the 50 moving average, and then immediately went right back up. So I'm going to take that stop now. I'm going to be moving it up here. And now getting ready, it's getting near the end of the day. In the Grokstar room, we finished trading between 11:30 and 12 o'clock Eastern time. And now it's getting up to be just about 12 o'clock here. It's 11:30 here now, time-wise. And it keeps rising, it keeps rising. Look at this. It's been a continuous up. Now I'm going to move this up on up here. And we're getting into really close now to finishing up the day. So I'm not, and then look here. It hasn't broken below the 20 moving average, the green line, since all the way back here at 10:50. So now it's an hour later. So I'm going to pull my stop up here and keep it real nice and close here to that 20 moving average. And bam, there. It slipped down and got me out. Let me move this out of the way. Here's where I actually got out. So let's take a look at this overall trade. I'll need to pull it in a little bit here. So this trade here, we did a bull pullback right here. We got in, and then we just managed our trade. Extreme patience on this one. And then it was getting time here for us to finish trading for the day. I tightened up my stop to the 20 moving average because that had been honoring it for a while. And it's just dipped just below it there, and it got me out for a total of 1.2% in 2 hours and 12 minutes. Wow. So that was an extreme patience trade. So if you'd like to improve your trading and you're tired of paying the market the tuition to learn and you're still losing money, why don't you come to our mentoring session? It's going to be in Las Vegas on July 25 through 27. And we have a couple of deals. So go to groktrade.com. That's right, groktrade.com. And we are going to give you your airfare for free. Show us your receipt there, and up to $500 we'll write you a check on the spot for your airfare. And here's this second special. I can't believe Des is doing this too. Not only will we pay for your airfare, but you can bring a guest. And as long as they go through the 101 and the 201 training before they get there, they can attend the 301 mentoring for free. That's right. That's basically a 2-for-1, and we're paying for your airfare. More information, hit this button here. It takes you to our mentoring page, which tells you exactly what our mentoring program entails right here. And there's testimonials down below of people who've been here before, so go ahead and listen to those. And those are unedited, so that you don't say, well, what did they say after they turned that camera off? And right here, fill this out and do it today, because we're getting ready to close the enrollments in it very soon. Fill out that information, hit submit, and Carolina will give you a call and just to interview you to see where you need help in your trading and if this 301 mentoring could be of benefit to you. And again, take advantage of free airfare and 2 for 1 if you want to bring a friend. Mark the Meerkat, just remember that errors that violate your trading system make it impossible to evaluate your trading system. Trade well.